Hey there, folks! Are you tired of being misunderstood, misheard, or just plain ignored? Well, worry no more. Today, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to improve your communication skills. And if you're lucky, you might even get a few laughs along the way. First things first, let's start with the basics. When it comes to communication, listening is key. But let's be honest, we all know how hard it can be to really listen to someone, without interrupting them, checking our phones, or daydreaming about that pizza we're going to order later. So here's a tip. Imagine that the person speaking to you is actually a hot dog vendor. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss a single word if it meant you might miss out on the chance to snag a tasty hot dog. Now, let's talk about speaking. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. And that means paying attention to your body language. So if you're trying to convey confidence, stand up tall and proud. If you're trying to show empathy, lean in and make eye contact. And if you're trying to tell a joke, don't forget to add a funny voice or a goofy facial expression. Just don't overdo it, or you might end up looking like a clown. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Also, if you have any suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Okay, let's move on to a more advanced tip. It's called mirroring. No, not like the kind of mirroring you do in yoga. I'm talking about mirroring the person you're speaking to. Not in a creepy way, of course. Just try to match their tone, their pace, and their body language. It might sound weird, but it can actually help build a connection and make the other person feel more comfortable. Last but not least, let's talk about the power of questions. Asking questions not only shows that you're interested in the other person, but it also helps you understand them better. And if you're not sure what to ask, just remember the 5 W's. Who, what, when, where, and why. But be careful, asking too many questions can make you seem like a detective or a journalist. And trust me, nobody wants to feel like they're being interrogated. Well, folks, there you have it. Some tips on how to improve your communication skills. Remember, it's all about listening, speaking, body language, mirroring, and asking questions. And if all else fails, just pretend the person you're speaking to is a hot dog vendor. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this helpful. Now, who's hungry for some hot dogs?